Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, my name is Atta and today topic is about circular economy. Circular economy is a sustainable economic model that aims to reduce waste and consumption of resources by promoting the reuse of recycling of products. Circular economy principles designed for circularity, share and collaborate, closed loop production, biodegradable materials, renewable energy waste production and management, extended producer and responsibility, circular business models, circular economy effects, reduce waste and pollution, conservation of natural resources, climate change and mitigation, economic growth and job creation, increase competitiveness, improve product quality and durability, enhance customer engagement, reduce cost. Circular economy industries, fashion and textiles, electronics and IT, food and agriculture, construction and building materials, automotive and mobility, packaging and plastics, furniture and interior design, healthcare and pharmaceuticals. Circular economy business models, product as a service PaaS, sharing and collaboration platform, product leasing and rental, close up production and recycling, biodegradable products, refurbishment and repair services, taking back and recycling programs, circular supply chain management. Circular economy challenges, infrastructure and investment, consumer products and education, policy and regulation, supply chain complexity, data management and tracking, scalability and standardization, collaboration and stakeholder engagement. Circle economy technologies, Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain and distributed ledger, 3D printing and additive manufacturing, biotechnology and biomaterials, renewable energy and energy storage, advanced recycle technologies, digital platform and marketplace. Circle economy technologies, Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain and distributed ledger, 3D printing and additive manufacturing, biotechnology and biomaterials, renewable energy and energy storage, advanced recycling technologies, digital platform and marketplaces, circle economy organizations, Elan MacArthur Foundation, World Economic Forum, United Nations Environmental Programme UNEP, European Union Circular Economy Action Plan, Circular Economy Alliance, Greenpeace Wildlife Fund WWF, the Circular Gap Report. Circle Economy Industries, Fashion, Textiles, Electronics and IT, Information Technology, Food and Agriculture, Construction, Building Materials, Automotive and Mobility, Packaging, Plastics, Furniture and Interior Design, Healthcare and Pharmaceuticals. Circular economy benefits. It has reduced costs. It has enhanced customer engagement. It has a lot of improved product quality and durability. It has increased competitiveness in the market. It has boosted the economic growth and created the job creations and opportunities. Climate change mitigation, analyzation, conservation of natural resources, and reduce waste and pollution, which is very effective. Circular Economy Organizations, Ellen MacArthur Foundation, World Economic Forum, United Nations Environmental Plan, European Union Circular Economy Alliance, Greenspace, World Wildlife, and the Circular Gap Report. Circular Economy Conferences, World Circular Economy Forum, Circular Economy Summits, Global Circular Economy Conference, European Circular Economy Conference, International Circular Economy Conference, Sustainable Brands Conference.